Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we decode the secrets hidden within corporate filings. Today we're going to look at Jasper Therapeutics Incorporated's latest report, and let's just say it involves some major shakeups at the top. We're diving into a Form 8K filing, which is basically a report for significant events that shareholders need to know about right away. And boy, does Jasper Therapeutics have a significant event to report. This filing is all about a change in leadership, and it is not a small one. So what is happening? Well, as of the 5th of January 2026, Ron Martell is no longer the Chief Executive Officer and President of Jasper Therapeutics. This sounds like a regular departure, but the details are pretty interesting. According to his employment agreement, his exit is considered a termination without cause. This means he is not leaving because of any wrongdoing. Because of this, he is set to receive a payout equivalent to 18 months of his base salary. On top of that, the company will continue to cover his health insurance premiums, what is known as COBRA, for up to 18 months. Talk about a golden handshake. And it gets more concrete. His departure wasn't just from his executive roles, he also resigned from the board of directors on the same day. The report stresses that this was not due to any disagreements about the company's operations, policies, or practices. It sounds like a mutual agreement for him to step down. Now, who is stepping into these big shoes? Jasper Therapeutics has promoted Jeet Mahal from Chief Operating Officer to become the new Chief Executive Officer and President, effective the 5th of January 2026. He'll now be the company's principal executive officer. This is a big promotion. And it comes with a board seat too. He has been appointed as a Class 3rd director. Mr. Mahal's terms of employment are governed by an existing agreement. His salary has been boosted to $600,000 annually, and he is now eligible for a performance bonus of up to 50% of his base salary. This bonus, along with future salary adjustments and potential equity awards or cash payments, will be decided by the company's compensation committee. His employment, like many executive roles, is on an at-will basis, meaning either party can end it with proper notice. The filing also notes that Mr. Mahal has no relevant family ties to current directors or officers, and his appointment wasn't the result of any special arrangement. He also hasn't been involved in any transactions that would need to be disclosed as a related party deal. But that is not all the leadership news. Thomas G. Wiggins, who was already the chairperson of the board, is now stepping into a new role as executive chair, also effective the 5th of January 2026. Similar to Mr. Mahal, his biographical details are referenced from a previous filing, and there are no disclosed family relationships or special arrangements connected to his new position. He too has not engaged in any reportable related party transactions. These leadership changes were officially announced to the public on the 7th of January 2026 through a press release. This press release is actually part of this filing and is available for everyone to see. Now, it is important to remember what Jasper Therapeutics Incorporated does. They are a biotechnology company. Their common stock, trading under the symbol JSPR, and their redeemable warrants, JSP-DREW, are listed on the Nasdaq Stock Market LLC. This context is crucial because leadership changes in biotech can often signal shifts in strategy or development focus, especially as companies advance their drug pipelines. The company has voting common stock with a par value of $0.0001 per S-share. This is a very small nominal value, common for companies with a large number of shares outstanding. And then there are the redeemable warrants. These are interesting. For every 10 warrants, you can exercise them to buy 1 share of common stock at a price of $115. This exercise price is quite high relative to the current market value of many biotech stocks, suggesting these warrants are likely for potential future upside or were issued as part of financing deals where the company expected significant growth. Looking at these leadership changes, it appears Jasper Therapeutics is looking to inject new energy and direction into the company. The departure of a long-standing CEO and the promotion of an internal COO to the top spot, along with the creation of an executive chair role, suggests a thoughtful transition. The executive chair role often indicates a more active oversight by a board member, potentially guiding strategy and supporting the new CEO. For a biotech company, the CEO transition can be a critical juncture. It can signal a shift towards commercialization, a renewed focus on research and development, or a strategy to secure further funding. The fact that Mr. Mahal is moving up from COO suggests he has a deep understanding of the company's operations and development pipeline. His increased compensation and bonus potential indicate the board has confidence in his ability to drive future success. The high exercise price on the warrants is also noteworthy. It suggests that the market or investors who receive these warrants are expecting significant future growth in the company's stock price, enough to justify such a substantial exercise cost. If the company doesn't meet those growth expectations, these warrants could expire worthless, which would be a negative signal. One key risk to watch is how this transition impacts the company's ongoing R&D projects. New leadership can sometimes lead to reprioritization, which could affect timelines or resource allocation for specific drug candidates. Investors will be keen to see if the new leadership maintains or pivots from the company's current strategic direction. In conclusion, Jasper Therapeutics Incorporated is undergoing a significant leadership transition. The departure of Ron Martell and the rise of Jeet Mahal to CEO, alongside Thomas Wiggins' new role as executive chair, marks a new chapter for the company. While the financial details of the severance package are clear, the strategic implications of these changes for the company's future in the competitive biotech landscape will be the real story to follow. Alright, that is our breakdown of Jasper Therapeutics' latest filing. What is your take on these leadership changes and what they signal for the company's future? Do you think this is a step in the right direction? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If this analysis was valuable, hitting that like button really helps us out, and be sure to subscribe for more deep dives into corporate filings, just like this one. Don't forget to check out the Discord community linked in the description. It is a great place to connect with other like-minded investors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Corporate Decoder.